I'm sure you've heard the news. Robots are taking over. But don't worry, it's all fun and games. Meet RoboRex, the coolest delivery bot in town. Instead of boring boxes, RoboRex brings bounce houses straight to your party. Imagine this. You're setting up for the big day, and here comes RoboRex rolling in with a smile. Well, if robots could smile. Chuckle. But that's not all. RoboRex is not just about delivery, he makes it fun. With built-in party tunes and a little dance move or two, RoboRex turns setup into a mini celebration. Parents, you can kick back and relax, knowing RoboRex has got it covered. Kids, get ready to jump for joy because the bounce house is coming to you like never before. So next time you're planning a party, remember, when RoboRex is on the job, fun is just a bounce away. Book RoboRex today and let the party start with a bounce.
Today, I want to talk to you guys about 3 artificial intelligence or AI programs that you should be using for your bounce house or inflatable rental business. This can also be used for any of the party rental businesses and really expands your ability to create media both for advertising and also for your website. It helps you with videos on how-tos, and there's just a multitude of things that it can do, and it also does it better than you can do it and better than most of the editors that you would hire could do it. Now, AI has been around for a while, and it's something that is really just kind of trickling down into the smaller businesses to where you're able to do it on your own. So it's not something that's going to require you to have a degree in just to learn it, but you do need to take your time and learn what you can learn and take the steps that you need to do. Don't go so big so quick that you're going to be lost in the translation, or you're going to be stuck into some kind of thing where you don't know which direction you're going. Take your time, go slow, and that's why I want to start with these 3. The first is ChatGPT. You guys know all about it. You've heard all about it. And the wonderful thing about it is that it will allow you to do a lot of your copy and a lot of your script without even thinking about it. When you're trying to make descriptions of your inflatables, when you are trying to, write things for your websites, articles for your blogs, all kind of things that you can literally just type it into ChatGPT, give it a little bit of information, tweak it at the end, and what you're left with is a wealth of information and knowledge that you can use that is correct, that it is on point and everything. Now, again, you need to be very, very careful because ChatGPT, the biggest problem with ChatGPT is if it doesn't know, it's going to make it up. So you need to be very careful as you put your instructions in there. Also, you need to make sure that you edit it and go through and monitor everything that it's saying, so it's not going to put something in there that you don't do. My ChatGPT, for instance, today told I did an article about my business, and it basically put in there that I create custom inflatables, and then I can do it for your team logo or anything like that. I don't do anything like that. So you need to make sure that you're very, very careful that you are not allowing it to go too far and just kind of fill in the gaps. The next one I want to talk about is called InVideo. InVideo allows you to create videos just out of the blue. The very first video that you saw in here was an InVideo video about the robot coming to deliver your bounce. And, I've also created some videos that will help with, my cotton candy machine. Here, let's watch one right now.
If you're in the party rental business, then you need to know this sweet trick. Let's master the art of cotton candy. First things first, turn on the power switch and let your cotton candy machine run for 1-2 minutes. If it shakes like a Polaroid picture, adjust it until it's steady. Next, crank it up to the highest setting and let it warm up for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now grab your floss mix and pour it into the spinning head. Careful, don't touch it while it's whirling. In about 30 seconds, you'll see that sugary magic start to form. Use a clean bamboo stick or cone and gather the candy floss by turning and following its spin. Reduce the heat as the floss starts forming. Once you've got a fluffy masterpiece, twist it out of the machine. If it's tricky, a little hot water on the cone helps. To clean up, just let the remaining floss burn out. Turn off and unplug the machine. Wipe it down with a damp cloth and dry it completely before your next batch. Repeat these steps to keep the cotton candy coming. Enjoy your sweet creations and happy party planning.
there you have it. And with some simple instructions, InVideo was literally able to take every one of the steps that I had for making cotton candy. It added all the sound, it added all the narrative, it added all the pictures, and it made a video on how to make cotton candy. Now, couldn't you use this to teach your customers how to make cotton candy, or use the cotton candy machine or snow cone or popcorn, or even some of the other stuff like your safety rules and how to use your inflatable safely, what the monitors should know about watching the children, all of the rules and regulations that you want to put in there, everything that you want to do, you can literally put it together in these simple videos, and you don't have to be in it at all. You don't have to be an actor, you don't have to be a voice actor, you don't have to do a single thing. Just type the information into InVideo, and voila, it comes out on the other side. And again, you may have to do some editing, but the cool thing about InVideo is that you can edit text, and it will edit the narration and also the video. So you literally don't even have to think about it anymore. Again, amazing product out there. The last one is the Wondershare by Filmora that I am using to make these videos, and I made most of my videos with. This is one of the premier video editing softwares that is out there. It allows you to do so much. You can create AI music, you can create images, you can just do anything and everything that you want. You can blend and flex and do anything you want with any kind of video or pictures and anything you need to do. Now, this will help you in a multitude of things, especially if you're talking about, creating your own content or creating in your own videos or things like that. It will allow you to personalize it and bring your own videos, your own images into those videos, and make something that is yours and that is, popular with you and also with your customers, and create that special feeling that comes from your company. I love this program, and I've been using it for a very long time. And again, it seems like every month they're coming out with new, more and more features, and a lot of them are starting to actually cross over with some of the other stuff. They're doing some of the stuff that InVideo is doing with the AI video and the editing with the text to videos kind of stuff. So that kind of stuff is really, really amazing to me. It's really neat, and it's come a long, long way. Now, what I want to tell you about this is again, take your time, learn the programs. There's tons of stuff out there, and we'll also start a program where we'll teach you how to use it specifically for the inflatable business and things like that. So stay tuned, keep watching, and you can see those kind of things. But I do want to caution you, there are costs that come with all of these. They're gonna start you off with free, but they usually cost you probably 20 or 30 bucks a month for each one. So pick the ones that fit within your budget. Don't get overzealous. Don't get If you're not going to use it, don't buy it. You need to be using the ones that you're going to use the most often. ChatGPT is free, and again, you can use that to create your content, your all of your emails. You can create your ads, all the text in your ads, everything. It does a wonderful job and does it amazingly, and it's free. Now, InVideo, again, costs you a little bit. You can use that for creating those cotton candy videos or your safety videos. And Filmora, again, come back with all your personal stuff, creating video and content for your things. And again, Filmora will cost you some money to go. There are tons of other video stuff out there, or AI stuff out there. There is, more than you can ever use, but be very, very careful, because right now a lot of it's specific, and a lot of it you'll find again crosses over. So you don't want to buy one that has a little trick or a little thing that you think is neat, and then come to find out you could have got a bigger program that had more features that would have included that, but you bought the one underneath it. So those are some tips on what you need to do when you're looking for them. The last thing I want to tell you is that this entire video, except for my voice, was created 100% with AI. Everything was pulled off of these three programs and was made on here. So again, you may have caught some of the stuff that seemed just a little bit odd or a little bit out of place, some of the videos, but the cool thing is it's getting better and better and better, and very, very soon it's going to be to the point where you're not going to be able to tell the difference. It's going to be perfect. So don't wait. Go ahead and get involved with it, because the more you learn now, the better off you'll be as it progresses, as it gets better, as it moves forward and becomes, the thing that we know that it's about to become. Also, don't be on that other side where you're trying to pay somebody to do this stuff when you could do a lot of this stuff yourself. And it's very, very quick, very, very easy. I'm literally clicking out articles for my website, within a couple of minutes, and changing it for the seasons. I'm doing ads for Facebook and Google, literally on the fly, and they're banging them out just perfect. And I do videos. You guys see my videos. I do videos, uh, 3, 4, 5 a week. So I'm putting out the videos, as much as I can. Tons of stuff that you can do. Also, I do the reels, I do the shorts. All of this stuff comes from that. So check those out. Use those programs and make sure, that you're getting the most out of them. And have a good day.